Hey everyone, did you know you can white label GoHighLevel's mobile app and sell it as your own? In this video, I'll show you how to create a branded mobile app for small businesses, helping you grow your revenue and offer a seamless experience for your clients. GoHighLevel offers 3 mobile app options. GoHighLevel app, perfect for personal use with GoHighLevel branding. Lead Connector app, a gray label app with no GoHighLevel branding, ideal for agencies. White labeled app, fully customized with your branding, available on app stores under your name.
So now these are the 3 app options that you can choose from. The first option that you're going to get is the GoHighLevel app. And this app will have GoHighLevel's logo on it, their branding, and if you plan on reselling GoHighLevel as your own software or something like that, then you're not going to want to use this app right here. Using the GoHighLevel app is a good idea if you're going to be using GoHighLevel for your own business. You're not planning on white labeling it, you're not planning on reselling it or anything like that. So with this app, if you're using GoHighLevel for yourself and for your own business, you can just download this app right here. And once you log into GoHighLevel's app, you're going to be taken inside of your platform and you can access all of these features right here for your own business. Now, the next app that you can choose from is going to be the Lead Connector app. And this app is going to be a gray label app. So it's going to have generic branding. And if you're planning on reselling GoHighLevel, then I recommend that you use this app right here because this is the app that your clients can use to log into your platform. And this app right here won't say GoHighLevel anywhere. Like I said before, it's going to have a generic brand. It's going to be called Lead Connector. And I'm going to show you what this app looks like right now. So this is what the Lead Connector app looks like. And you can just get your clients to come to this page and download this app. And once they log into this app right here, they're going to be taken inside of their account where they can manage all their clients through your white label platform. Now, although this app doesn't have your own logo on it, this app works extremely well and your clients won't even think twice. A lot of them won't even care if this has your branding on it or not. Now, the third app that you can use and that your clients can download to access your white label platform is going to be this option right here, which will allow you to white label GoHighLevel's app, add your logo to this app, add your own branding to it, and resell this app in the App Store as your own application. So instead of using this Lead Connector app, which every single person who's reselling GoHighLevel will use, you're going to have your own app where people can actually search it up, find it. Once they click on your page, you're going to have your own logo right here, and you can resell this app to small businesses. So to enable any one of these apps for your client, all you want to do is click on the app that you want. So if you're doing this for your own business, you can click right here. If you plan on reselling GoHighLevel, but you don't want to customize the app with your own branding, you just want to use this gray label Lead Connector app, you can select here. Now, if you want to have your own app with your own branding, you just want to click right here.
To white label the app, go to Settings, Mobile App, Customize App. Add your logo, adjust colors, and customize the splash and login screens. Fill in your app details and review your design.
So what you're going to want to do now is just customize this mobile app before it goes live. So to do that, we can just come right here where it says customize app. So right here is where you can customize the branding of your app. And if you take a look right here, this is what the app currently looks like. And you can start by adding your logo to this app. Next, you can customize the login screen, the splash screen. Right here, you can customize the colors, the fonts, and so on. So you guys can come through here and play around with this, customize the app to your liking. Now, if you go over here to profile, right here, you'll fill out your personal info, development details, and app details. So things like your application name, email, terms and conditions, and so on. And then if you come over here to overview, once you're done branding the app and filling out your profile, right here is where you'll see your app and what it looks like. And this will just give you a total overview of everything. So now finally, once you're done customizing your app to your liking,
once your branding is set, select a plan. The white label app costs $497 a month in addition to your GoHighLevel subscription. Start with Lead Connector if you're new, and upgrade when you're ready.
you come over here to payment, this is where you'll pay to have your white label app. So these are the 2 plans that you can choose from, and I recommend this one right here. Now this will be an additional $497 a month on top of your GoHighLevel plan that you're paying for. So let's say that you're paying for the $297 a month plan on GoHighLevel. So this one right here, if you want to white label GoHighLevel's app, that's going to be an additional $497 on top of that plan. So this can be a really big cost, especially if you're just starting out. So if you're completely brand new, you're just starting out, then I recommend that you just use the Lead Connector app for now. This app will do just fine. Your clients can log into this app right here and access all of the features of your white white label software. And then once you get established, once you have a good customer base, you're making a decent amount of money. If you guys want to look even more professional, you can go ahead and enable this white label app right here. So now what you're going to want to do now is enable the app that you want to use for your clients. So for this example, let's just use this gray label lead connector app. All we're going to want to do is make sure that this is selected. And then all we want to do is come up here and enable this feature. What this will do is show the download link of the app that we chose to our client. So if we just come over here, this is what our client will first see. Once they log in, they're going to be taken inside of our app, which looks like this. And now to download that lead connector app, all they have to do is click right here. And this is either going to take them to the Play Store or the Apple App Store. And this is what it will look like. This is the page that they'll be taken to. And right here, they can go ahead and download this app. Once they have this app downloaded, they can log into this app using the same login credentials they use to log into your white label platform on desktop.
This is a powerful opportunity to offer your clients a professional, branded experience. Like this video, subscribe for more tips, and check out the links below to get started.